I'm going to teach you how to sell gift card on Card Cosmic app. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification, like this video and also share it for more people to see after you finish watching. This is how it is, guys. Go to Play Store or your Apple Store and search for Card Cosmic. You can see it, and this is the app I'm talking about, Card Cosmic Sell Gift Card. Download this application to your phone, and after you download it, open it, guys. Let it open. Open it, guy, and you can see option down here. Click any option down here and it's going to show you this interface. You can see you don't have an account down here. Click on sign up, click on that sign up, and it will show you this option. The first thing you are going to do, guys, put your first name. You understand right now? Put your functional Gmail. The next one is to put your phone number, because you are going to receive a code. After that, create your password. Make sure your password is like this. Let your password start with let your password start with capital letter. For example, Godwin. Add number at the front of it and any symbol like this, or like this, or like this. Do you understand right now? The next thing you are going to do is your referral code, guys. Use this invitation code, guy. You can see the invitation code is optional, but this invitation code, if you use it, they are going to give you a welcome bonus of I think 3,000 naira or 5,000 naira. Do you understand right now? And they are going to reward me as well. But if you didn't use this invitation code, they are not going to give you a welcome bonus, and they are not going to reward me as well. So I will say, please use this invitation code. Do you understand right now? So after that, the next thing you are going to do is to click on sign up. And also you can see I agree to Card Cosmic terms and conditions. Mark it like this and click on sign up. Immediately you click on sign up, your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? Now I'm going to log into my own account and show you step by step how to sell your gift card on Cosmic app. Cosmic app, and how to withdraw your money to your bank account. Guys, let me log in and we continue. Now, guys, I've logged into my own account right now, and the next thing you are going to do, you can see withdrawal. You can see sell now. Click on sell now. You understand right now? Then select, you can see it will pop up like this immediately. Then select the gift card you want to sell. These are the available gift card you can sell on here. Select the one you want to sell. Let's say I want to sell Orisa Good. I'm going to click on it, and the balance, I'm going to select the balance, $100 for example. And US, if it is US card, you let it be your year. You click on US card like this. And the next thing is physical card. If it is physical card, click on physical card. If it is e-code, click on e-code. You understand right now? Physical card is a gift card that someone purchased at a physical store, while e-code is a gift card that someone purchased online on websites. So they are just going to send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. You understand? That is e-code. Physical card is a common gift card. You understand right now? Then leave it on physical like this, and the next thing is to upload the image of your gift card. You can see camera, gallery. Select gallery and select the image of your gift card, then upload it. After you have done that, click on confirm. You can see down here, you can see confirm. It will show you a space to cover. Just click on confirm, and your card will be sold successfully. And if you don't have the image of your gift card on your phone, you can just write the code of your gift card here, and after that you click on confirm, and in few seconds it will say success. That means you have sell your gift card and you will have your money on your balance. The next thing is to withdraw your money. This is what you are going to do to withdraw your money. First, you need to add your bank account. Click on me. You can see me down here. Click on me and you can see bank account. Click on bank account and you can see add bank account. Click on add bank account. Select the bank you are using and write the name of your bank, then your name, and click on submit. Then come back here. You can see my OPay here. Then come back here and come back to home and click on withdrawal. You understand? Write the amount you want to withdraw out of your money. Do you understand right now? And after that, click on, you can see minimum to withdraw is 10,000 to unlimited. Then you click on confirm to withdraw, and in few seconds your money will deliver to your bank account sharp. So this is how to sell your gift card on Card Cosmic app. Guy, if you have any question write it in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel and share it for more people to see, guys. One love.